In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete account in Dhgate. If you've decided you're done with the platform and want your data removed, I'll walk you through the exact path on the website using the desktop layout. Keep in mind that account deletion is permanent, so once it's processed, your profile, order history, saved items, and messages can't be recovered. If your interface looks a little different, it may just be due to regional updates, but the options have the same names. Start by opening your web browser and going to dhgate.com. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to remove. On the top right, click your profile icon to open the account menu and choose My Dhgate. This takes you to your personal dashboard. On that dashboard, focus on the left-hand side panel, scroll through the menu items there, and look for Account Settings. Go ahead and open Account Settings. Inside, you'll see several sections that control your details and privacy. Find the option labeled More and click it. In the More area, locate the button or link that says Delete My Account and select it. You'll land on a page titled something like How to Delete Your Dhgate Account. Take a moment to read everything on this page. It explains what will be removed, how long the process may take, and any conditions that might prevent deletion, such as unresolved orders or ongoing disputes. This page is important because once you proceed, the process is intended to be final. When you're comfortable moving forward, check the box that says, I want to permanently delete my Dhgate account and all data. That checkbox indicates you understand the consequences and confirms your intention. After selecting it, click Continue to proceed. At this point, simply follow any on-screen prompts. Depending on your security settings, the site may ask you to confirm your identity before completing the request. Keep the page open until you see a confirmation that your deletion request has been submitted. A few final tips before you wrap up. Deleting an account can impact any open orders, refunds, or messages, and you won't be able to access them later. If the site indicates something needs attention, address that within your account first, then return to the Delete My Account option and complete the process. That's it. You've navigated to My Dhgate, opened account settings, used the More section, selected Delete My Account, reviewed the details, checked the confirmation box, and clicked Continue to submit your deletion request.